In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage indents in your documents, which is an essential skill for keeping your work neat and organized. Whether you're drafting a professional report, writing an essay, or simply formatting your notes, understanding how to use indents correctly can significantly improve the readability and aesthetic of your text. Let's begin the process by focusing on how you can position your cursor, which is the initial step in indenting your text. Imagine you're working on a paragraph and you want a particular line or section to stand out. You'll want to position your cursor precisely where you aim to create that indent. Using your keyboard, navigate to the beginning of the line you want to format. Precision here is key, as starting your indent in the correct spot will ensure your document remains tidy and easy to read. Once your cursor is in place, the next step is pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. This action shifts the selected line or paragraph to the right, creating that clean and professional look we associate with well-formatted documents. Indenting with the Tab key is a straightforward and efficient method to introduce structure into your writing. It gives your reader a visual cue to notice new sections or changes in thought, enhancing both comprehension and presentation. Now, there might be instances where you've added an indent and later decide it's unnecessary, or perhaps you've changed your mind regarding the document's structure. In such cases, removing an indent is just as simple as adding one. Simply bring your cursor back to the indented line. Then, simultaneously press the Shift and Tab keys. This combination will shift the text back to the left, removing the indent and returning it to its original alignment. Using Shift and Tab together is not only handy, but ensures that adjustments can be swiftly made without disturbing the rest of your formatting. A practical tip to bear in mind is to make these indent adjustments as you write, especially in lengthy documents. It's much more efficient to organize and structure while drafting, rather than revisiting and revising large sections later. This approach can save you time and help maintain a clear train of thought as you develop your content. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these tools and commands, as they form the basic building blocks for more advanced formatting tasks you might encounter. Indenting is a simple yet powerful tool that improves the layout and organization of your document. By practicing these steps, you'll find that your text looks more polished and is easier to follow, both for you and anyone else who might read your work. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your document formatting skills. Be sure to join us for more insights and tips in our next video.